Once upon a time, two parrots lived happily in a forest. They flew from tree to tree and enjoyed their life. One day a hunter was roaming the forest when he saw the parrots flying around. He found the parrots to be beautiful and colorful and thought that if he could take them to the king, he would be very happy to have them. The hunter lay out a net and some seeds, and soon the parrots fell for the trap. The hunter kept them in a beautiful cage and presented them to the king. "Dearest Majesty, I have brought you these parrots, which I caught deep in the forest. Seeing their beautiful colors, I am sure they would increase the beauty of your palace." The king was delighted to have the parrots and gave the hunter a big reward, asking the servants to take good care of the birds. The parrots were fed very well and were the center of attention in the palace. The young prince would also come and play with them. They were living a luxurious life. One day the older parrot said to his brother, "We are so loved in this palace." "Yes, we are living such a luxurious life without any hard work," said the younger one. But soon everything changed. One day the hunter brought in a small black monkey named Chunky. Chunky could do tricks and would jump around from place to place and made everyone laugh. He would get so much attention that slowly the parrots became less important.